Hey, what's up, digital dynamos? Welcome back to the show where we don't just chase trends, we dominate them. Today's episode is straight up crucial if you want your content to win big in 2025 and beyond. We're talking about how to use AI large language models, LLMs like ChatGPT, to actually crush EEAT. That's experience, expertise, authority, and trust. Google's golden rule for ranking today. And spoiler alert, most people using AI right now, they're totally missing the mark. So stick around, because I'm about to show you how to do it smarter, faster, and with real viral punch. 1. First, let's get real about EEAT. Quick refresher. EEAT stands for Experience, Real-World Use, First-Hand Knowledge. Expertise, Deep, Professional knowledge of a topic. Authority, being recognized as a reliable, leading voice. Trust, Content that's accurate, honest, and safe. Real-life example, a personal finance blogger used AI to write dozens of best credit card articles. The info was technically correct, but guess what? 0 rankings. Meanwhile, his competitor shared real screenshots of their monthly expenses, personal stories about card rejections, and interviews with finance pros, and they blew up. Viral insight. Google and users want realness, not just recycled info. AI needs to be a tool for enhancing your credibility, not faking it. 2. Use AI to organize, not to impersonate. Most people use AI the wrong way. They ask it to sound like an expert, instead of bringing out their actual expertise. Real-life example. A wellness coach used ChatGPT to create blog posts about healthy habits, but the posts felt generic. Once she started feeding the AI her client case studies, testimonials, and actual success stories, boom, her traffic tripled in 60 days. Viral tip. Use LLMs to outline, summarize, and structure your real experiences, not to invent stuff you haven't done. 3. Inject personal experience at every step. Look, Google's now favoring pages where the author has actually used the product, visited the place, or done the thing. Real-life example. An outdoor gear reviewer used AI to draft basic gear descriptions, but then added his own muddy, blister-filled, rain-soaked hiking trip details. Result. His review of a $300 hiking boot went viral on Reddit and ranked number 1 in search. Viral playbook. Every AI-generated paragraph should answer, what did I experience personally that adds unique value? Here. Photos. Testimonials. Mistakes you made. Lessons you learned. AI gets you 70% there. But your experience gets you the last 30%. 4. Build authority with AI-assisted research. Use AI to do deep research faster than humans can, and back your points with stats, studies, and quotes from authoritative sources. Real-life example. A SaaS founder created a LinkedIn post using ChatGPT to pull real Gartner, Forrester, and Harvard Business Review studies. He added his own analysis on top. Result. He gained 12,000 new followers in under 4 months, and his brand became an industry thought leader. Viral strategy. Use prompts like, summarize 5 recent studies on topic from credible sources and suggest expert commentary. Then plug in your original thoughts. 5. Build trust by showing behind the scenes. Trust is the currency now. And trust is built when audiences feel like they're getting a peek behind the curtain. Real-life example: a YouTuber used AI to script their videos about how I built a $1 million Shopify store. But instead of just flaunting numbers, they shared screenshots of their Shopify dashboard, their failed ad campaigns, and the times they almost quit. Viral tip: use AI to help brainstorm behind the scenes stories, failures, hard decisions, real screenshots, team conversations. Transparency wins hearts and Google rankings. 6. Fine-tune AI output to sound like you. Last, but absolutely not least, don't let AI make you sound like everyone else. Real-life example: a lifestyle brand founder trained an LLM with examples of her edgy, sarcastic email tone. Now, her AI-assisted newsletters pull 50% open rates because they feel authentically her, not just helpful and correct. Viral power move: fine-tune AI by feeding it your past writing samples, favorite phrases, inside jokes, emojis you love. Then prompt it to always mimic your brand voice. No copy-paste robots allowed here. And there you have it. The smart way to use AI LLMs to dominate EEAT in 2025 and beyond. Remember, AI is a rocket ship, but you are the pilot. Blend your knowledge, your scars, your stories, and you'll create content that not only ranks, but resonates. If you loved this episode, don't forget to hit subscribe and share it with a friend who's still trying to automate their blog with boring AI junk. Catch you next time on the digital edge. Stay sharp, stay real.